Hi beautiful, welcome or welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeannie. I hope by the end of the video you'll decide to stick around. I'd love to have you here. We do a lot of fun things, giveaways, unboxings, get ready with me's, makeup and skincare reviews, all of the beauty things, we do them over here, and then a little bit of randomness as well. But for today's video, I am super excited. We're going to get into my BoxyCharm base box for the month of October. Is that right? That's crazy to me. It's been crazy lately. Is that like, I'm like thinking to myself, like, is that for real? Is this really October's box? I think it is. So, okay. This is the base box. I do have to let you know that this is sent to me in PR, meaning that it's sent over free for a review, but I also want to let you know in the same breath that I still review each box as if I'm a paying customer, because at the end of the day, I am still a paying customer. I purchased my own base box, which surprisingly is already on the way. So whenever I get duplicate products between the PR box and the base box, I will use them here on the channel for a giveaway for one of you to be able to try the products as well. So anyhow, this is their base box. It retails for $27.99. I do believe there is tax. Well, there's tax, and then I think that there might be like a handling fee now. I just can't keep up between BoxyCharm and Ipsy and the prices and all of that, but I just know that it's about $27.99 plus tax. And then you get 5 full-size products in the box, and you get to customize one. Now, within the PR variations, we do not get to customize anything, but I will say that this is a slightly different variation than any of the other PR boxes that I have seen. And I do want to quickly mention as well that I will be doing a full try-on video with everything in the box in a separate video. I used to do them all together in one video, but then I started getting a little bit discouraged when I would notice that I would do, when you're unboxing and then trying all of the products out in one video, it makes for a long video. And I would put all of this work in for like a 35 minute video. And I would notice in my analytics that, you know, 90% of the viewers were watching the first 5 minutes and leaving. And I get it. Not everybody has all of that time to sit and watch a video. So I figured it's just better for everybody if I do an unboxing and then do a separate try-on video. So that is what I now do with my unboxings for BoxyCharm. So for this one, we're just going to go through the products, and I'm going to give you my thoughts on the products and the box as a whole. So every single month with BoxyCharm, we do get theme cards. And this month is Everyone Will Be Under Your Spell. I love the purple and gold. And just a quick note, typically the cards are printed this way. This month they're printed up and down. So that's something a little bit different. Pretty much irrelevant, but just different. Okay, so let's see what we got. The first product that I got that it looks like a lot of the base boxes are getting is a Ciate London eyeshadow palette that retails for $39. It does say this is a new launch for Ciate London, so I always like to see that. I always think it's really cool when we're getting new launches in the box. I did see this palette unboxed in some other PR unboxings. This is the outer packaging, which it does feel really nice. It kind of feels really luxe, to be honest with you. And I will say that seeing the palette on the other unboxings and then seeing it in person is quite different. So I want to see if I can give you guys kind of like a true look at what the palette and the tones actually look like. To me, when I saw the palette and I saw the shades in the unboxings that I saw, like, I don't know, it looked a lot more like red. They definitely are more of like a cranberry tone in real life. I'm like kind of talking about like these shades right here. But it is actually a lot more pretty and inviting in real person than what it seemed to be to me when I saw it in the other unboxing. So I'm hoping that I'm giving you guys a good look and a true to life kind of feel at what you're getting with this palette. I will say that the pans are much larger than the typical Ciate London 9-pan palettes. It looks like a beautiful fall palette. Ooh. It feels really luxe and nice. Forgive me if I seem off, you guys. I worked all day. This is a very late night video. If you're not new here on the channel, you know how my late night videos can go. So there's that. But I'm actually really excited to give this a go. I love Ciate London, and I typically really love their products, but I have had kind of like mixed experiences when it comes to their eyeshadow palettes. There are some that I love, and there are some that I thought were misses. So I'm really, really hoping that this is good, but I will say it does have a different feel and aesthetic and pan size, and just like seems totally different than some of the other ones that I've tried. So I'm really excited to give it a go. And like I said before, we'll do a whole video where we try all of these products out together, and I will definitely create an eye look with that. The next product that I got is by Dew of the Gods. I love this brand. I was introduced to this brand through BoxyCharm, and this is their Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Primer. It retails for $32. It does come with like a plastic seal on it. I love my primers. I love trying new ones. I actually just very recently did a very small Sephora haul, and I tried the Cali Ray primer that Miss Kathleen Lights just raves about, and I have it on today. It is freaking amazing. If you are in the market for a good blurring primer, I'm telling you, you need to try that one. I'm very excited to try this one. Why would I try and smell it through the box? I mean, it says Tahitian breakfast, so like, I feel like it's gonna smell fruity, but that is what the outer packaging looks like. Very pretty. I just want to see. Okay, so there is a safety seal on it. I'm just going to keep it sealed until the try on video, and we'll check out the texture. We'll put it on. We'll see how it wears underneath makeup and all of those good things. Next, from Tresluce Beauty, this is, or is it Treslucy or Tresluce? I want to say it's Tresluce. I am sorry if I'm saying it wrong, but from that brand, this is Becky G's brand. We did get the Lucetti Highlighting Palette. It retails for $26. This outer packaging, I love the bright blue on the outer packaging of her packaging. This is what the highlight palette looks like. I don't know if it is coming out in different shades and different variations, but this is the one that I got, and it actually does look really pretty. And in case you did not know, I didn't know this at first when I got a Tresluce Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I ended up realizing it by mistake sometime later. But on her packaging, on her palettes, and on this too, it does have a mirror, and the mirror is magnetic to the back of the palette. So I actually think that's just so cool. I just think it's a really, really cool function to her palettes. In fact, I think I have her palette right here. Let me show you. Yes, I do. So this is one of her eyeshadow palettes. It looks like this. And again, the mirror is magnetized. So I just think that's a really cool function to her packaging. And yes, I am a sucker for packaging. So far we got a highlighter palette, we got an eyeshadow palette, we got a primer. I mean, so far it's looking good. Next up this is a brand that I have not heard of, but it is Flurry Brie. I don't know if I'm saying it right. That is the brand, and this is their Eyes Baby Anti-Aging Eye Cream. It retails for $26 again. So let's see. I don't know anything about this brand. Let's see what it says. It says that it's a rich eye cream that will awaken your eye area by helping to firm your skin and reduce the appearance of dark circles, wrinkles, and puffiness. I do love a good eye cream. Sure, I have a lot, but I do like trying new ones, and I like finding, you know, new holy grails in terms of skincare. So that is one of the things that I do really like about subscription beauty boxes, is that I get to try new things, you know, for a fraction of what you would have to pay going out and buying everything individually. And through my subscriptions, I have found holy grails in not just makeup, but skincare, hair care, literally all the way around. So it's a really great thing about receiving subscription boxes. So we've got an eye cream. And then last but not least, I have not seen this in any of the other boxes except for mine yet, but this is by the brand Playa, and it is their Moni Milk Leave-In Conditioner. So it is a leave-in hair conditioner. It retails for $24. I will say that I have received this product before in a prior BoxyCharm. I think it might have been a premium, but I actually do really, really like this product. So I do not mind at all getting another one, because I think I'm more halfway or more gone with the one that I have. But it does have a super fine mister. So like when you spray it on your hair, like it doesn't make your hair like greasy looking. And I have extremely thin, fine baby hair, but I also have very dry hair because I get my hair bleached from an extremely dark brown, like almost to the point where it would look black on camera, but in real life you can tell it's just a very, very dark brown. But obviously I get it bleached, so obviously there's going to be damage. But what I love about this is there's a lot of leave-in conditioners that can really weigh your hair down, even make your hair look greasy when your hair is normally dry. But this is not that. This is a super fine mist. It does give some shine and hydration to your hair, but it also is very light and leaves your hair very manageable. So I do really like this product. And again, I'm glad to get a backup because I've went through a lot of the one that I previously received. So and then I thought this was so funny because this is my base box and they sent it with a box that says premium on the inside. This is definitely the base box for October. And again, this is my PR box. I do have my paid for version, which will be different in at least some ways because I don't see my choice item that I chose for my base box in my paid for version in this box. In fact, like, were any of these a choice item? Like, I'm trying to remember. Maybe the eyeshadow palette was, you guys, or maybe the highlighting palette was. I don't know. All I know is I chose an Earth Harbor product and I can't remember what the other choice product was. But either way, my box is going to be different. And then if we have duplicate products like the highlighting palette, the eyeshadow palette, the primer, you know, products that I got in both boxes, then we will do a giveaway here with those products and one of you will get an opportunity to win them. Now let's talk about the box as a whole. You guys, I honestly think this is an amazing base box. Why? We got an eyeshadow palette and a highlighting palette. Then we got a primer. Then we got one skincare product and one hair care product. I feel like this is such a well-rounded box. I feel like I'm getting a little bit of everything. I know that there's people that want all makeup. I know there's the rare bird that wants all skincare. And then there's people like me who fall in the middle. Like I truly, truly do enjoy a good, healthy balance in what I'm getting in my boxes. And I feel like this box hits the nail on the head. Like I am literally getting a little bit of everything and I'm really excited to play with all of the products. Again, I will be back super soon, either like today or not today, tomorrow or the next day. I will definitely be filming with these products. I don't know exactly when it's going to be uploaded because I also got the Tarte Premium box in PR and I'm going to be filming with that just as soon as I end this video. And I will definitely do a try-on video, a separate try-on video for both of those boxes. So I don't know what's going to come up first and when it's going to come up, but just know that within the next couple days, I will be sitting down and filming a try-on with all of these products, as well as a try-on with all of the products from the Tarte premium box. So exciting things coming. Make sure to keep your eye out for those. And thank you so much for taking 15 minutes out of your day, if you made it to the end of this video, to hang out with this girl, because I do appreciate it. I will see you so very soon in my next one. Bye.